Oh, yeah.
So this is a big one with me and my Haumana gathering of our Lao and where we gather and how we gather. And so my kids pick up rubbish. They pick up opala, before they Mālama, they clean invasives. We go to an ahupua'a that we know that have ohana or friends, and we clean, and then it reveals the forest. Right? So, and that's a big one with me and the teaching of these children of how to Mālama before you take, or else you won't get, right? So the a'ali'i that they're wearing, they pick themselves. And the maile that we wear is propagated maile from amazing maile farmer in Volcano. His name is David Miranda. And we don't, the forest spoke to us a while back when Rapidohia hit and said, we got the call from our Kumu. Michael said, stop, don't pick any liko, no mohia, leave her alone. You have to really, think about things. But because we're, as dancers, as for me, I speak as a hula dancer and a kumu, I'm inspired by what I gather. And so, but the forest, she's in charge. And our Āina, it's in charge, so we really pay attention to that. And so the kids make their own leis. They clean, they pick up rubbish.
They take care.
Yep, they Mālama, they bring it all the way over here, and then we make our leis. And
That circle.
I'm the kumu with the truck in the bushes with my rubber boots and my loppers. Let's go, right? And you better pick up that rubbish on your way out, or else your leg will fall off. True story, true story.